Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm gonna install the side window wind deflectors. So let's see how they're gonna come out and let's find out if they even worth it or not. So here I have my windshield deflectors for the sides. They actually just got delivered. So let's install them real quick and let's see how the whole procedure is gonna take place. So let's open them up, let's take them out. And I really like the way it's packaged. It's actually looks pretty decently packaged, so it's not gonna break during the transportation, hopefully not. So now let's just see what steps are involved to install them. But from what I can tell, this is just has a 3M tape that we're gonna stick inside there. So before that I would advise to clean in there so it sticks better, so it doesn't gonna stick on a dirt or anything. And yeah, let's do that real quick. So now just with a wet paper towel with a lot of Windex, gonna clean these channels, and as you can see they have a lot of dirt in there. So let's clean them all up and then we can peel off our adhesive and we can stick it in there. And another tip I will recommend is just to use a little plastic pry tool, so that way you can really go inside there and clean this all really good. Let's get the appropriate size and appropriate sides for each side. So this is gonna be our driver's side, so that's gonna go over here. Just double check that, make sure that's where it's gonna go. So then all we're gonna do is just we're gonna peel off all this M3 tape and just slide it in there, and hopefully it's gonna stay in place and never gonna come out on its own, at least. Let's peel all of this out. All right, so now let's see and let's hope I can stick it in there. So I'm gonna start with one corner all the way like that. Okay. Okay, let's check, make sure it's in place. But that looks like it's in place. So now let's do the rear driver side. Okay, that's peeled off. Let's see if we can put this one in place where it's supposed to be. Slide it in. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Now I'm gonna close the windows, make sure they close. Perfect, the windows still closed. Now I'm gonna keep this closed so the adhesive holds this in place. And now I can do the passenger side. Alright guys, everything installed. It was not hard at all. And actually underneath very last they have a manual, they have alcohol wipes and a little scrubby thing. I didn't see that, but anyways, I think I cleaned it up pretty good anyways. So I don't think that's gonna come off or fall off or anything. The only issue I had so far was that this part over here, it doesn't have any adhesive. So when the window is completely open, this slightly kind of sticks out, and when you try to close that little piece in there, the window hits it and it doesn't go up. But maybe I'm just gonna put adhesive in there, or maybe just with a time window being in there, it's gonna keep in place and then it's gonna go up and down, no problem. We'll see. But now it's really good. Both sides are done and they look pretty good. So now during the hot summer days I can keep my window slightly open and not worry about the rain going in. This should really help to keep the inside cooler. And as you can see, I have a big windshield cover as well. I really like that one, so I bought that one as well. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description for the windshield and the side windows, in case you guys just want to pick them up as well. It was not too expensive, neither of those pieces, and I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna keep you guys updated in the comments whether they're gonna fall off or not as time goes by, but I think they're gonna be alright. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.